As the days get colder and the nights get longer, we begin the process of nesting, and part of this autumnal job for me is cutting the logs and also the kindling. But kindling can be quite expensive if you buy it, so I'm going to show you how you can turn a pallet into really good quality kindling, and all you need really is a saw and an axe. Now do make sure you're using a really sharp saw and you've got some eye protection on, and that the pallet is not returnable, because some of the pallets that you have, they do have a deposit on them and they belong to a certain company. So just double check that it is okay for you to use it. But untreated pallets make excellent fuel for the fire. Begin the process by cutting down each of these thin lats to either side of the main bearers underneath. Now once you've cut these sections off, you can simply lever them and they should come up quite easily. Now sometimes it's a case of breaking the pallet up any way it will. You need to saw the pieces up, first of all into lengths like that, and then probably into about 3. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll show you how you can create the kindling from that. Now do make sure you wear gloves for this job, because not only can you get small splinters in you, there are sharp nails in there. I would advise you to wear shoes with a really thick sole, because sometimes there are nails where you don't expect it, and if you're busy in your own little world just kind of levering pieces off, you can get one of those through your foot and it's going to hurt. So good protection on your feet, gloves and eyes. Now once you've cut them into this length, it's about 15 centimetres, 6 inches long. We're going to split that into about 2 or 3 pieces, and for that I'm going to use a small axe. And there we have the perfect kindling. It's about 6 inches long, 1 inch wide, and you can use that to stack up in the fire and it'll really get it going. And that's how you can turn a pallet into valuable kindling. Until next time, bye bye.